welcome back to Sham's Adventures. We are having another weekend away, but this time it is very cold. It's winter and it's probably about 3 degrees. I'll show you around our campsite and I hope you enjoy our adventure. So Anne and Paul are with us too this weekend.
Hello.
We've collected all our firewood and we're going to start the fire pretty soon. So we got here late last night, and we set up our van and woke up and we have this amazing view in front of us. So we're just going to go for a walk around. So last night driving in here, me and Rodney decided that we were going to see if we can get a little bit further in, and we sort of got stuck in that track down there. So we're going to go and see where this track takes us. So we squeeze the van in here. They got dirt bikes and stuff. There's another few people camping up here. It's a nice view from up here.
Morning.
Yes, I got to here and I stopped.
Yeah.
No way. Oh, you keep going.
Yeah, so we got to these trees here and we're like, shit, we can't fit. So we had to reverse back.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe later.
These guys look like they're going to have some fun with their dirt bikes. So there's no way our van was going to come down here.
Come down that track.
Yeah. I think that's the track I thought we were on.
That's where we were, just there in front of you, Paul.
Last time.
Yeah.
Where the fire is.
Oh, yeah.
So we're just about to light the fire. The sun's coming out before the fire, I think.
I'm going to chuck that bread in the car. It's warm in there.
Sure. So we've got a bit of bread getting made in there.
Want to have a look at it?
I don't want to wreck it.
No, I want to check it.
Starting to cook. It's starting to snow. You can see like the snow coming down. You can see it on the chair. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it, but it's snowing.
My chair.
Yeah, it's on the aunt's chair. Snow. It's snow.
Mate, you know what? This is a precursor to snow.
It's snow. We can say it's snowing.
You might get snow.
Is it snow?
Sleet.
What's the difference between sleet and snow?
Sleet's still ice, isn't it?
It's in between snow and hail.
Oh wow.
Oh, look at that. Did you bring our shovel? In your recovery kit?
Yeah.
The boys are cooking us our dinner. The sun's just come down now. Having some steak and some sausages.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
So we have sausages, we've got some meat on there.
We've got more meat we've got to get to. This what? I don't know which one fell in the thing now.
The last one.
Yeah. All right,
What, they fall in the ash?
Yeah, one fell in the ash, but we don't know which one now.
Didn't wipe it.
I liked it. I licked it. Got that.
Getting cooked. All good.
We've got a torch happening now so we can see. Get it smoking up and give it some flavour.
You can call it rose, I don't mind.
Call it Rose all the time now.
You don't mind?
I was
Name's
saying to a lady the other day actually,
yeah.
her name is Rose. And I said, my husband calls me Rose. She said, right, your name's Anne. My middle name is Rosemary. I said, so it's Rose or Rosemary.
No, I didn't. I was about to.
She goes, why doesn't he call you your name? It's when he calls me my name. I said, I'm in trouble.
So when I call you Rose, you're not in trouble.
No.
Okay. Stop eating, Rodney. That's my dinner.
You said you weren't hungry.
I'm not.
Jesus, the killer's going to my head, eh? Buster, I'm going to ride home.
Are you having one of the other rolls too, Rodney?
I know, I'll just have one of them.
I like Anne's butter. I'm gonna have to start buying this one, I think. Sunday morning, it's freezing cold. It's what? How many degrees is it, everyone?
-1.
-1 degrees. So it's truly winter camping here. We're just gonna have some breakfast and then we'll slowly pack up and go home to our nice warm home. The guys are gonna get the breakfast ready for me because I'm not doing anything because I'm too cold. Sausages happening.
I'll throw the bacon on, Rodney. Okay.
Can we go to my packet of bacon?
Good morning, Anne.
Morning.
Nice, clear weather today.
It's clear weather, but it's still freezing.
Windy, guess what? Lucky we weren't where we wanted to go.
Yeah. Picked a good spot. We're sort of sheltered from the wind.
Look at those guys up there in the motorbike, in the tent.
Oh, it'll be freezing.
Definitely colder today.
Definitely.
I think it's the wind.
Morning, Rodney. Did you have a nice time? Yes.
Did you?
Not really.
Why?
It was nice, but it was too cold.
What's up?
Well, you know, I'm not a winter person.
Me neither, but it was okay. I don't like cold. Let's do the next one winter in far north Queensland.
Yeah. And this one's the one that loves the cold.
But you know what?
You know,
It's sharing it with beautiful people.
Excellent.
Beautiful time.
And you come along for Sham's adventures.
Yes.
yeah.
You're doing a wonderful job. I'll just sit here like usual, and wait for my breakfast to come to me. We're all packed up and ready to leave and start heading home. Hope you liked watching this winter escape. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe and ring that bell, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.